Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. A 2015 Buick Enclave 3.6 motor. We're doing a thermostat assembly and a coolant temperature sensor. This has got the coolant temperature sensor in. Looking at the front of the motor, you can see it's like a shielded connector. Looks like this right here. And the coolant temperature sensor is right down there. Now, beautiful engineers at GM, as particular. So it is a 19mm socket that goes over the connector, or that goes over the actual sensor itself. But you need a 20mm deep well socket in order to get past the connector to get to the actual threads. Can't get a wrench in there. Can't get a stubby wrench in there because the width area is too short hit up against the side of the block. So the only way I had was a deep 20mm half-inch socket. Got it out to here and got it loose. Beautiful design, I'll tell you. Now for thermostat housing, real simple. Got 3 10mm bolts, 2 quick disconnects, which I will have to transfer off of the old one. Those go to the heater hoses, and then 1 15mm bolt, which will go right down here. You see it right there, which will be this one right here with this bracket. Upper radiator hose comes loose. Disconnect, 310s come out. Pretty simple. Going back in, the coolant tank for it is right here. This is the overflow, but you're going to take this little plastic assembly off in order to get to the actual radiator itself in order to fill it back up. I just took off the upper hose right here and was able to get to everything. Pretty simple. I have a tool that will bleed out the air bubbles. I'm not sure if there is a bleeder screw on here or not. I will take a look, but my tool usually takes care of any of that air bubble anyway, so I don't have to worry about that part. But any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.